Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome guys. Today I am doing my reaction to Shadowhunter episode 19. Today I'm doing my reaction to Shadowhunter episode 19. Guys, it's actually Saturday. I kept pushing this. I was like, I'll film it tomorrow because I've been super busy. If you watch my reaction on Game of Thrones, then you would know that I legit filmed my reaction to Game of Thrones day before yesterday. I had no time yesterday to film it. I went out and I did not know I was going to spend that long, and I did. So I am so sorry that this reaction is just coming. Today's Saturday and it's 9:19. I just got home not long ago and I was like, I have to film this reaction because the finale is Is it finale or finale? I'm pretty sure it's finale. The finale is coming out on... The final episode is coming out on Monday. And I'm going to film my reaction to it on Tuesday. And I'm meant to be traveling on Tuesday. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm meant to be going somewhere on Tuesday. But I want to get the finale out as fast as possible. Anyways, guys, I don't know why I'm telling you guys my life story. Like, really? Why, baby girl? Anyways, let's just get into the video. Last episode, my leg happened. Like, I'm a strong believer that I'm not gonna... What's the word I'm looking for? I'm not gonna jump to conclusion. I still have hope in my heart that what's going on can be sorted out, you know? Like, they can come back from this. Like, they can come back. I mean, they can come back, right? Right? They can come back from this. They have to come back from this. Whew. Oh, like I said, I'm a very positive thinking person. So, positive thinking, you know? Positive thinking. Anyways, that's enough for the introduction. Let's just get into the reaction. Wait, volume. Now voice. Clary.
My name is Clary, and I'm a Shadowhunter, sworn to protect mankind from demons. A never-ending battle against evil, but I know who I can count on. Simon.
Oh, it's Simon.
Friend, a vampire. Magnus, a warlock from Brooklyn. Luke, a werewolf pack leader and New York City cop. And Jace, Izzy, and Alec. 3 of the bravest Shadowhunters alive.
This thing always make me so tense. Together, we're unstoppable. Oh my god. Oh. Calm yourself down, love. Oh, wow.
Shadowhunter capable of giving you a run for your money.
For a father that's trying to redeem himself, he's sure he's doing a nasty job.
I wonder how they learned where you live, huh?
Oh, Izzy. Oh my god, I can't. Izzy's so flipping beautiful. Oh, wow. Jonathan is deader than dead.
Jace.
Wow!
It's a possessing demon.
The same kind that murdered my mom. And we know how to kill it.
We'll come in after you. This is the hunt. This is the hunt. Guys, sorry for my nasty scratching in there. Yeah, this is green tea, guys. I don't know if I told you already, but it's green tea.
Do you have any good news for me today, Mr. Knightley?
Valentine and Jonathan believe that the New York Institute is in possession of the Mortal Mirror. They won't leave the city without it.
Thank the angel that at least he wasn't able to find that.
We were. Clary?
My connection with the angel led us to it. It's an Idris. The mirror is Lakeland.
That's the very same water that Raziel first rose from. Who else knows about this?
Nobody.
We can trust is getting smaller by the day. We thought it best to tell you first.
Yeah.
Titus, you're gonna wish you had these. Just because
because you're not willing to face Alex sober doesn't mean the rest of us shouldn't walk in this emergency council meeting.
I just understand what I said after the 90s. But can we all appreciate how Magnus looks so handsome?
The Queen will be attending this very special meeting.
He's so handsome.
And exactly how do you know that?
In the Seelie realm. She insists the court has been beyond the reach of the angels and their power for quite some time.
So we live in safety and
She wants to be in power. Like, Magnus, can you not see that?
Brought up, Seelies cannot lie.
But they can cunningly tell, like, rephrase the truth.
What's the catch?
You're gonna want that drink now.
What is the catch?
Your Highness, what an unpleasant surprise. I speak on behalf of the Downworld.
Wow.
Magnus, is this true?
Don't ask Magnus. That is angry with you right now. Ask look.
Your Highness, Valentine believes the Institute has the mortal mirror. He's not going to leave.
Wait, this is the first time Raphael and Isabel are seeing each other
He wants to
after.
capture him so that he might escape once again.
In order to execute him, so this threat may finally end. In progress.
Oh, please, Magnus, stop with this facial.
All just depended on the Glaive and our Institute to protect us from men like Valentine.
You might also die trying.
Yes, God.
Don't die, please. Oh, look, please don't die, please. Look, please don't die. I just said we're gonna die trying. Look, that word must not come out of your mouth. The word die cannot come out of your mouth. What's die? What die? Die is not in your dictionary. Die is not so. Oh my God!
Should be waking up every man in the city to start hunting.
I texted Eloise to start spreading word. Search every tunnel.
Oh my baby, just kiss and make up. Raphael, stop being a dick. Oh, Raphael.
I'm truly sorry for everything. Our worlds turning against each other. It's not quite how I pictured our paths would cross again.
How did you picture it?
Yeah, it was always gonna
I made a
be.
mistake, Isabel. And whatever there is between us, it's not just about craving each other's blood.
I know.
Are you,
I know.
are you gonna give this a go? We're gonna give this a go.
If there's any good that comes out of being at the brink of war,
We're gonna give this a
it's
go.
being able to stand here in front of you.
We're gonna give this a go.
Do you really think it's gonna come down to war?
We're gonna give. I'm sorry, let's stop talking about war and start talking about our feelings.
Refuses to.
Simon, please, you've been reading too many fan fictions. Simon is so cute. Like, don't you guys just think Simon is so cute? Like, he's so cute. Why is he always stressing?
Are we done?
Like,
Would that be a bad thing?
he's always stressing.
No, I just... Things like going to class and boyfriend, girlfriend.
He's so handsome.
Yeah. Considering...
I can't see it.
Stick with, like... I like you. You really like me.
I like you too, baby. I like.
Sorry, I didn't.
Oh, what does she wants
Long
now?
time.
Simon, we need to talk.
About. You better close that door, cause they were having a nice moment before you walked in. That's for someone, Maya. That's for someone.
So, you and Maya, huh?
Yeah.
What?
I guess you
What?
so
What?
If it makes you
You know, I just realized Simon and Clary actually dated for like a few weeks. They dated for a few weeks, like 2-3 weeks. Because all this that's going on has actually been going on, like all the thing that's been happening since like Clary became a shadow hunter. It's been like just roughly a few months. So Clary and Simon went up for like a few weeks.
That's totally okay.
No one asked for your permission, B. But totally okay. By the way, B means babe.
But take it from someone.
Every time I say B, I mean babe.
This is not just checking on your best friend. What's wrong?
Okay, look. Given
I'm so happy that they're able to at least have some sort of friendship.
I need you to talk to the Seelie Queen.
Simon Lewis are the one person on the planet planet that even has a chance of getting the Sealy Queen to change her mind to work with us.
What? Does she have a crush on Simon?
She asked about you. Yeah. So at least hear you out.
Like, as you notice that it's like he's aging more. Like, you can see like some stress lines. Like, Magnus, please, Alec, just come and beg him. Like, oh, who did that? Oh, God damn. Oh.
Yes.
Oh my
Sweet pea. So good to see you.
What is he doing in the children playground? Pedophile! Yeah, your own daddy was never there to move your fingers away from me. Bearer of bad news.
Lynn, why didn't you tell me you had a spine place? Mentalized information is the only way movements like the circle can be sustained.
Oh my God.
Right.
But no one knows.
See, the true path to victory is found.
Why is Jonathan suddenly acting like a little boy? Like he doesn't know what he's doing anymore. Ooh. They already casted a barricade. No one can leave the city. 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 Shut up.
I can't.
You're not going anywhere.
Someone must have erected portal roads around the city.
Oh my God. Father, at this moment, I would like to pray that you will keep Luke safe. Please keep Luke safe. Death is not his portion. He will not die, but leave. Tears cannot come out of my eyes today. My baby cannot die because for some weird reason I'm getting this vibe that my baby is gonna die, and my baby cannot die because he too innocent today. You know what I'm saying, yo? We're cool, God. You gonna keep him. Thanks, G. Thanks. All love from me, Mike.
You and I have to keep moving. Are you with me?
No.
Until the bitter end.
Sebastian. I mean Jonathan. You need to... I feel like Jonathan is gonna be...
I have an open invitation with the Queen herself. I just need a minute.
Simon, why are you like this?
So you show up unannounced?
She's so beautiful.
You were a child and now you're confusing.
Different outfits for different occasions. You're wary of me, aren't you? Is it because of the little game I played with you and your friends in my court?
No, not at all. That's all right under the...
Yeah, you're standing on a bridge with water flowing.
Your hair on a perfect tones will be tousled.
Don't touch him.
You don't want things to end well, do you? You want war.
I want change. And you, Daylighter. Do you know what I'm called? Give me a try ask, and I shall grant you whatever your heart desires.
Please.
Thanks. No, thanks. Thanks.
You've refused me twice now. No one in my very long life has ever dared do such a thing.
Well, considering that trying to get vampires, werewolves, and warlocks to play nice, I might get used to some rejection.
Someone is handsome, man.
Look, let's stay focused on what we can control and what we can't. We will figure this out.
So we're stuck inside the
I
city.
love their bromance.
No way.
Oh, she's having a vision again.
I might be able to speed things up. But I'm gonna need
Please,
Jason's help to do it.
Father, I'm coming to you again. I know I just spoke to you a few minutes ago. But Father, please do not let things blow up in Clary's face. Please, Lord, let this our idea be successful. Don't let it blow up in our face. Thank you, G.
Heck is a bit far-fetched, but hey, this from the girl who can shoot.
I like the way she packed that hair.
Make portals out of thin air.
Well, sometimes.
I don't like this flirting that's going on.
Help me find a
Oh, okay. I'm in support of this. Okay. You and me both, Clary. You and me both. You and me both, Clary. Guys, my heart is beating fast. Hey, what's going on? What is going on? They're lighting up like Christmas trees. Wow. They look like they're on drugs or something. They're lighting up, fam. Oh, they're cute. Bless them. Oh, wow.
So Jesus returned again.
Why did they give each other that look? That kind of... He's actually gonna dispose of Jonathan. He's gonna dispose of him because he doesn't.
That we no longer have.
I'll come back for you.
No, he won't.
I promise.
He won't. That's what he said before.
I will.
I thought there's no portal. So they're not able to create
Why would they hide in
portal.
a graveyard? They probably waited an old weapons cache.
Wait. Jonathan noticed the tattoo in the late afternoon/evening, and they didn't get there till night time. This even looks like midnight. Yeah, they're still here, Clary. They're definitely still standing here waiting for you to get here.
I'll go with you.
Where's Guanin?
Okay.
Okay, guys. Guess if anyone could be prioritized with Izzy, it would be Clary. Guys, I wonder which one they filmed first. Alec and Jace or Isabel and Clary?
But whatever happened.
Really? Really? Right now? Really?
There's no point in talking about any of that till we figure this out.
Thank you.
Thank you for not asking any questions about Claire.
I figured I'd talk to you already.
I love their bunch.
Reason for my parasite.
Oh, jeez. You better get off, Alec. You better get off my Bible. Oh, wow.
Try to fight for a moment.
Alec? How did Alec get from there to here? It's like across from each other. Stop it! Stop hurting Jace!
Excellent. Something to present for all the way. I go oxygen getting to your brain, is it?
He left you.
Yeah.
Oh, you're not coming back. My father is a man of his word.
No, he's
I
not.
just speak ancient.
Stop hurting Jace, you evil. Again. Yeah, this is about to happen waiting for.
My absolute delight.
Wait, why did they turn on the light and turn it off then? Like, for what? Oh shit! You cheated! Oh. Jace, my money was on you, goddammit.
Stay away from him, you son of a bitch.
Why are we trying to do dramatic with the whip? We should be whipping Jonathan, not doing baka. We should be whipping Jonathan.
I have a problem when you took a run at my baby brother.
Come on, use all that anger.
I saved your life. That's something.
That's why I'm giving you a more honorable death than you deserve.
That spot.
But can that? Oh yeah, the sword can kill with
Taught me
you.
to.
Oh wow, wow, wow. Okay. But people are gonna. Okay, I'm not gonna. I was gonna say, why if people drink from that water? Would his blood not make them? I guess we all have to face the fact that they have feelings for each other. His eyes is pretty. Aren't we all, baby? I like this song. Who sang it? Oh! We've been expecting that since Bloody season episode with the film when they kissed that duck. She's gonna confront. Please look.
Have you seen that? No, she's supposed to meet me here. We can tell the rest of the world that Jonathan's dead, but Valentine's still out there. What? I went back to the boat base and I found us outside the Jade Wolf. It's Maya's. What happened to her?
Oh my goodness! The police officer! The police officer! The lady. Oh no! It's the. Oh my God! It's the Silly Queen. It's the Silly Queen. Oh, because Simon denied her. So what? She captured Simon's girlfriend. Maya.
Where's the queen?
Her Majesty will be along shortly, just as soon as she's done.
Million! Wow.
Your Majesty, I haven't actually here to fight, nor come here to be captured. I've come to make you a deal.
Huh. What could you have that I could possibly want?
She's gonna.
Walk with me, won't you? It's such a lovely night.
But not so beautiful as what tomorrow may bring to the both of us.
I can't do. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? Wait, they put their shield on their butts. What is this? What is this? What is this disgusting thing? This disgusting. Oh, what is this? What is that? What was that banding together? What is that? Because I don't understand what Valentine could have told her that'll make her change her mind. I don't get it. Like, what was that? What was that? What was that? Like, I don't get it. Making me bloody angry. Like, just gotta take a deep breath, you know. Okay guys, that's my reaction for season 2 episode 19. Obviously the season finale will be coming out this Monday. This episode was just like, I don't even know, like, Jace almost died. I legit thought like something's gonna happen to Luke, but we finally got nothing happening to him. Like, I just want Raphael and Izzy to just talk about their feelings and just give like a relationship a goal, because I think they're so cute together. I think they're gonna be so amazing together. So I am in support of Raphael and Izzy. Then we didn't get a lot of Simon in this episode, or a lot of Maya, unlike the way like last episode was kinda like they were one of the main characters in last episode. This episode was more focused on Jace, Alec, and them, and the institution, and the Shadow Hunters. It was more focused on them. So Jonathan is dead. For some weird reason, my mind is telling me that he may not be dead, but I'm pretty sure he's dead. But what if he's not? Anyways, guys, I don't even know. Like, I feel like I just want Magnus to stop being spiteful towards Alec. Like, it's starting to hurt me. Like, that's my baby too, you know. Anyways, guys, I just thought, like, I was just thinking right now that while I'm here, I might as well do a reaction to the promo for next week's episode. So let me quickly get that up, and then I'll film my reaction for it, and I'll insert it at the end of this. See you in a minute.